Here we see the diagram. The gallbladder gives rise to the cystic duct. The two lobes of liver give rise to the right and left hepatic ducts. The right and left hepatic ducts join to form the common hepatic duct, which is later joined by the cystic duct to form the common bile duct. From pancreas, two types of ducts arise, the duct of Wirsung and the duct of Santorini. The pancreatic duct is known as the duct of Wirsung. There are some vestigial ducts which are not useful in case of human beings from pancreas, known as ducts of Santorini, which cannot be shown in the diagram. The pancreatic duct or the duct of Wirsung comes out of the pancreas and joins the common bile duct to form the hepatopancreatic duct. See, here we can see the hepatopancreatic duct. The hepatopancreatic duct drains into the duodenum through a small point where there is a small papilla-like elevation known as the ampulla of Vater.